I was going to I'm here in 7-Eleven near in Sun Valley. Here comes Metrolink train 268. There, 680. Wow, F125. Oh, 5 cars hit. 935. Nice. I can actually see it right there. Now that the building's not there anymore. You know, I'm just gonna pause it here. I'm cutting here. There it goes, south to Union Station. Alright, YouTube, here comes Metrolink train 272 now. Running about 10 minutes late. Fortunately, we missed the ZLCO 271 and 272. Oh wait, no, not 272, excuse me. 270. Apparently, it was kind of traffic. What am I doing? Damn the echo. Oh wait, 94. 669. X616, I think, or 11 at day 94. Nice. Gotta love the MP36 not shade. There it goes out to Union Station. Alright, YouTube becomes Metrolink train. It's probably gonna be last train today because Metrolink train 273. There we go. Trying to get an angle. Signal, but I think I'm just gonna have to miss the signals changing this time. Yeah, there it is. Same as 270. 918. Ah, damn it. Ah, 677. Can't tell what signals he's running on though. Maybe a flashing yellow because of how slow he's going. I don't know. There it goes north to Lancaster.